Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is what causes wind. Air is a bad conductor of heat. For this we are going to perform an experiment. Take an empty long test tube. Hold the test tube tilted with its mouth downwards. Heat the tube at its bottom on the flame of a candle. It is noticed that the fingers do not feel warm. This shows that the air trapped in test tube does not conduct heat from the heated bottom of the test tube to the fingers. This proves that air is a bad conductor of heat. On the planets Venus and Mars, carbon dioxide forms the major component, constituting up to 95 to 97% of the atmosphere. On the contrary, the major component of the Earth's atmosphere is air, which consists of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor, and trace components. Moreover, unlike Venus and Mars, Earth has life on its compositions like 95% of CO2, 3% of N2 and 2% of Ar and less than 1% O2. How is our atmosphere different from the atmosphere on Venus and Mars? How does the atmosphere act as a blanket? The mass or body of gases that surrounds the earth or any heavenly body is called atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere extends from the surface to a height of more than 1000 km, beyond which it merges gradually with solar atmosphere. Air is a bad conductor of heat, and so Earth's atmosphere acts as a protective blanket. It keeps the average temperature of the earth fairly steady during the day and the whole year. The atmosphere prevents the sudden increase in the temperature during daytime and also helps in retaining heat of the earth by slowing down the escape of the heat during night. What causes wind? The movement of air from one region to another creates winds. An uneven heating of the earth's surface causes winds. On being heated, air becomes lighter and rises up. As a result, region of low pressure is created. Then, air from high pressure region moves to a low pressure region, causing wind. When air gets heated, it rises up and produces low pressure, and cool air moves in to take its place. The movement of air causes winds. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the sea. So, the hot air above the land rises up and the cool air from the sea moves towards the land. During the night, sea cools down slowly than the land. So, the hot air above the sea rises up and cool air from the land moves towards the sea. So children, I hope you all have understood how the winds are caused.